Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Abhinav and I know the UPSC exam is around the corner. So hopefully you are all are ready for the exam and just a couple of things before the exam. So I'll not take much of your time. So I'll just tell some important things which you need to remember during the day of exam. So on the day of exam, try to wake up at least at 6 a.m. So after you wake up, get ready, have a good breakfast and tea. So your exam is at 9:30. So you must have a good breakfast which must last till at least 12 o'clock. So then also check for all your documents. Check if you have got your admit card, your ID cards, and your two photos. Photos are not necessary for everyone. That's necessary if your photo and that admit card is not good. So for safety purpose, you can carry two photos as well. So carry black ballpoint pen also, and then once you have everything in your hands, so then try to reach your exam center by at least 8:30 a.m. so that you can get through the verification process quickly and go to your seats. So when you get to the seats, try to be comfortable. So it's just that you're going to sit in that place for the next 2 hours continuously. So make sure you have a good seat. So if you have any problem in your seat arrangements or if you feel like it's too cold, you are sitting under the fan. These are just small things which can impact in your exam. So all these kind of things you can tell to the examiner beforehand and try to change it if required. So then main important thing is that when you fill your OMR sheet, fill it properly as instructed by the examiner. So because OMR sheets can be rejected very easily, so make sure you don't make a mistake on that. So then after you start your exam, usually the first few questions in every exam, it's like quite kind of difficult questions. The examiners like to keep it that way because they want to break your confidence sometimes. So don't worry. After first few questions, the paper gets easy, and then what you will have to do is, as the time goes by, you should not lose your concentration. So you have to read the questions carefully, and whenever you think you know the answer, don't just jump to the answer. Read the question once or twice again and check if the answer is true. Okay, so we all know that this exam also has negative markings. So be wise on leaving questions. Okay, don't leave many questions. Try to attend as much as possible because this year we expect that the cutoff may increase. So try to attend as much as possible. And then after you're done with your paper one exam, don't try to discuss the answers of paper one exam in the break hours. So during the break hours, have your lunch, have good lunch, and then get ready for paper two. You can revise some topics on PSM gynae, PSM gynae, and surgery also. So when you enter into the paper two exam, you will have many problem solving questions in PSM also. You'll be given a rough paper and a pencil to solve those things. You can use that, and then after you complete all the questions, try to recheck the questions again and again. So complete the exam peacefully and do as much as possible. You always you feel like you haven't studied enough, but just remember that you know more than what you think. Okay, so definitely you can do good in exam. So all the best for your exams. Wish me luck as well. And after the exam, you can review your answers and do whatever you want. So I just want to wish all of you guys all the best for your exam, and you're going to come out with flying colors, and you're going to get good ranks as well. So keep those things in mind and do your exam in the best way that you can do. So thank you.